Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English is my world. I hope you all are doing well. In our previous videos we started our journey with the famous novel Gulliver's Travels, right? So far we have already completed 3 parts of this wonderful story, and today we are going to continue our journey from where we left off. Okay, but before we continue with the next part of Gulliver's Travels, I want to share a beautiful and meaningful story with you, dear. Okay, sometimes a story is not just a story, a story can teach us some things about life. It can make us think about ourselves, our choices, our problems, our emotions, and the way we deal with difficult situations. So today I want to share a beautiful story connected with Lord Shiva. This is the story of Nilkant Mahadev. It is a story about patience, it is a story about sacrifice, it is a story about courage, and most importantly, it is a story about how we should deal with negativity and difficult situations in our lives. So let's begin this beautiful story, and while listening to this story, I want to think about one question, dear. When life gives us something painful, how do we respond to it? Do we become angry? Do we give up? Do we spread our negativity to others? Or do we learn to handle difficult situations with patience, courage, and wisdom? This is what the story of Lord Shiva teaches us. Point number 1, the beginning of Samudra Manthan. Once upon a time, the Devs and the Asurs decided to churn the great ocean of milk known as Samudra Manthan. Their goal was to obtain Amrit, the divine nectar of immortality. Okay, they believed that after all their efforts, they would finally receive something precious and powerful. But when the churning began, the first thing that emerged from the ocean was not Amrit. Instead, a terrible and deadly poison emerged. The poison was known as Halahar. Right? It was so powerful and dangerous that it could destroy the entire world. Everyone became frightened. The Devs were worried, the Asurs were worried. No one knew how to control this deadly poison. And here we can connect this story with our own lives. When we start something new in life, we often expect everything to go smoothly, right, dear? When we start a new job, we expect success. When we begin a new project, we expect good results, right? When we have a dream, we imagine that everything will happen according to our plans. But life doesn't always work that way. Sometimes, before we achieve something beautiful, we have to face difficulties. Before success, there may be failure. Before happiness, there may be disappointment. Before reaching our destination, we may have to cross many difficult roads. So, the first lesson is when difficulties come into our life, do not immediately think that you are not on the wrong way. Okay. Sometimes difficulties are simply a part of this journey. The Devs and the Asurs had started the Samudra Manthan with the hope of finding Amrit, but instead of Amrit, they found poison. This teaches us something very important about life. We cannot always choose what comes our way. Sometimes we work hard and still face problems. Sometimes we are kind to people, but they still misunderstand us. Sometimes we do our best, but the result is not what we expected. And at such moments, we may ask ourselves, why is this happening to me? Why am I facing this problem? Why is life becoming so difficult? But we must remember that difficult moments do not last forever, dear. Life has both happiness and sadness. It was both success and failure. It has both light and darkness. Just because you are going through a difficult phase today doesn't mean that your entire life will remain difficult. Okay. Difficult phase is only part of your journey, it is not your whole life, dear. So, when the deeply poison appeared, everyone became helpless. Okay, no one knew what to do. No one knew how to save the world from this danger. Sometimes we also experience such moments in our lives. There are situations when we feel completely lost. We may feel that we have tried everything. We may not know what to do next. Okay, we may think, what should I do now? How will I solve this problem? Will things ever become better? During such moments, the most important thing is not to panic, dear. The most important thing is to remain calm. Because when our mind is filled with fear and panic, we cannot think clearly. But when we calm ourselves, we can see things from a different perspective. So, wherever you face a difficult solution, take a deep breath. Give yourself some time, think carefully, and remember, not every problem needs to be solved immediately, right? Sometimes patience itself becomes the first step toward finding a solution. So, when everyone was helpless, Lord Shiva came forward. He decided to take the poison upon himself to protect the world. He did not think only about himself, dear. He chose to sacrifice for the well being of others. That teaches us about compassion and selfness. In our own lives, we may not be able to save the entire world, right? But we can certainly make someone's life a little better. Sometimes helping someone doesn't require money. Sometimes a kind word is enough. Sometimes simply listening to someone who is going through a difficult time can mean a lot. Okay, sometimes encouraging someone when they have lost hope can change their entire day. We never know how much our small acts of kindness can mean to another person. So let us learn from Lord Shiva. Let us try to be kind, let us try to be compassionate, and whenever possible, let us become a source of strength for others. Lord Shiva consumed the poison, but he did not allow it to spread throughout his body. He held the poison in his throat. This is one of the deepest lessons of this story, dear. In our lives, negativity also comes to us. Sometimes may say something hurtful, someone may insult us, someone may misunderstand us, someone may criticize us, someone may treat us unfairly. We cannot control what other people say or do, but we can control what we allow to say inside our minds and hearts. If someone hurts once, but we keep thinking about it every single day, we allow that negativity to grow inside us. The other person may have already forgotten what they said, but we continue to carry that pain. That is why we should learn to let go. We can acknowledge our pain, we can learn from our experiences, but we should not allow negativity to control our entire life. This is what the story of Nilkant teaches us. Recognize negativity, but do not allow it to spread within you. One of the most important lessons we can learn from Lord Shiva is the power of calmness. In life, people will say many things. Some people will appreciate you, some people will criticize you, some people will understand you, some people will misunderstand you, right? But do you really need to respond to everyone? No. Not every comment deserves a reaction. Not every argument deserves your energy. Not every misunderstanding needs a long explanation. Sometimes silence is more powerful than. Okay? Not very misunderstanding needs a long explanation. Sometimes walking away is wiser than arguing. And sometimes protecting your peace is more important than proving that you are right. Remember, you do not have to win every argument. Sometimes the real victory is keeping your mind peaceful. Next, before Lord Shiva held the poison in his throat became blue. That is why he is known as Nilkant. But if we connect this beautiful story with our own lives, Nilkant can become a symbol of inner strength. Life will give us many experiences. Some will be beautiful, some will be painful, some will make us happy, some will teach us difficult lessons. But we should not allow our painful experience to turn us into negative people. Instead, we can learn from them, we can become wiser, we can become stronger, we can become more patient. Our pain can teach us compassion. Our failure can teach us perseverance. Our difficult experience can help us understand the pain of others. So never think that your difficult experiences are completely meaningless, dear. Sometimes the hardest chapters of our lives teach us the most valuable lessons. The Samudra Manthan did not end with the poison. After the difficulties came something precious. The Amrit was eventually obtained. This gives us beautiful message, right? If you are going through a difficult phase today, do not lose hope, dear. You may not know what is waiting for you on the other side of this difficult time, right? Maybe today you are struggling, maybe today you feel confused, maybe today you feel that nothing is working, but your story is not over. There may still be beautiful chapters waiting to be written. So keep going, keep learning, keep believing. Because sometimes life tests our patience before giving us something valuable. Now let us look at the story from a deeper perspective. The ocean in the story can also remind us of our own minds. Our mind is like a vast ocean. It contains beautiful thoughts, but it can also contain fear. It can contain anger. It can contain jealousy. It can contain insecurity. It can contain hope. It can contain love. When difficult situations come into our lives, there is often a kind of churning inside our minds. Our thoughts become confused. Our emotions become stronger. Sometimes negativity comes to the surface, but we have to decide that we will do with those emotions. Will we allow anger to control us? Will we allow fear to stop us? Will we allow someone else's negativity to destroy our peace? Or will we learn to control ourselves? This is the real Samudra Manthan within us, dear. Okay? And perhaps the greatest victory is not winning over other people. The greatest victory is learning to win over our own anger, fear, and negativity. The importance of patience. Lord Shiva, peaceful and calm, for remind us of the importance of patience, dear. Today we want everything immediately. We want success quickly. We want results quickly. We want our dreams to come true quickly. But life doesn't always work according to our timeline, dear. Everything takes time. A seed takes time to become a tree. A student takes time to learn. A dream takes time to become reality. A person takes time to grow. So if you are not getting the results you want today, do not immediately call yourself a failure. Maybe you are still growing, maybe you are still learning, maybe you are still preparing yourself for something better. Do not give up simply because success is taking time. Do not let other people define you. In life, there will always be people who will tell you what you cannot do. They may say you cannot succeed, you are too late, you are not good enough, you will never achieve your dream, right? But remember one thing, dear, other people's opinions do not define your identity. If someone underestimates you, it doesn't mean that you are actually less capable. You do not have to spend your entire life trying to prove yourself to everyone. Stay focused on your journey. Keep improving yourself. Keep working quietly and let your actions speak for you. Sometimes the best answer is not an argument. The best answer is your progress. Right? So, what is the biggest lesson we can learn from the story of Lord Shiva and Nilkant? When life gives you poison, do not panic. When someone hurts you, do not allow hatred to control your heart. When someone misunderstands you, you do not always have to explain yourself. When difficulties come, be patient. When success is delayed, do not lose hope, dear. And when negativity enters your life, do not allow it to spread throughout your mind and heart. Just as the Samudra Manthan, everything led to Amrit. Difficult phases in our lives can also lead us toward growth, wisdom, and strength. We just need to have patience. So, my dear friends, the story of Lord Shiva is not only a beautiful spiritual story, it is also a lesson about life. Life will not always be easy. People will change. Some people will come into our lives and some people will leave. Okay, sometimes we will succeed, sometimes we will fail, sometimes we will feel happy, and sometimes we will feel disappointed. But through all these experiences, we must try to protect our inner peace. We must become strong enough that the negativity of the world doesn't destroy the peace within us. And perhaps this is one of the most beautiful lessons that Lord Shiva teaches us. Stay calm, stay strong, keep faith, learn from your experiences, and most importantly, keep moving forward. Thank you so much for listening to this beautiful story, dear. I hope this story gave you something meaningful to think about. And now we will continue our journey with Gulliver's Travels and discover what happens next in Gulliver's incredible adventure. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and always believe in yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Hare Krishna to my dear friends.